Welcome to my channel. The channel motivates students and researchers to polish their economic skills with a classroom PowerPoint presentation to understand the topic. Today we will discuss balanced budget and unbalanced budget. A budget is called a balanced budget when its receipts equal the expenditure. Government receipts equals government expenditure. Now, virtues of a balanced budget. A government do not waste money under a balanced budget, and it is considered financially stable for its economic reasons. Under flaws of a balanced budget, a government facing unemployment in a time of depression find no respite in a balanced budget as it is not growth-oriented. A developing country needs to accommodate unemployment with the correct dose of investment and control inflation at the same time, and a balanced budget is no solution for the problem. Now understand, unbalanced budget. A budget is called an unbalanced budget when its receipts are not equal to the expenditure. The unbalanced budget may be in two forms, surplus budget and deficit budget. First, surplus budget. It happens when government receipts are more than government expenditure. Let us discuss virtues of surplus budget. A government seeks a surplus budget when it faces inflationary pressure due to aggregate demand in the economy. The surplus budget is the result of greater revenue collection, which lower the purchasing power of the people and lower government expenditure, which again reduces the money supply in the economy. Now the flaws of unbalanced budget. A surplus budget lowers the aggregate demand and hence not prescribed for depressive economic conditions. It will lead to unemployment if it is adopted in such conditions where lower output leads to a reduction in employment. Now understand deficit budget. It happens when government receipts are less than government expenditure. Let us now discuss virtues of deficit budget. It is considered and promoted by Keynes to address the problem of economic depression. Government expenditure is required at the time of depression to improve demand and simultaneously push for more employment. Flaws of deficit budget. It is not useful for a country already facing inflationary pressure. It further leads to a bigger gap between aggregate demand and aggregate supply. The pressure will lead to a cycle where prices increase wages, and an increase in wages leads to an increase in prices. I hope the discussion is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and stay connected for future discussions.